Hongkong Navigation Company. Welcome aboard the world famous Hongkong River Cruise. My name is Ivan and I'm also your skipper for the next week. Exciting day and two romantic nights. So during the whole journey, please remain seated. Keep all your arms, feet and legs inside the boat, and also please help me look after your children. Okay, so now let's start our journey. Alright, so first of all, look at our right hand side. You can see a big tree house over there. Okay, this tree house called Harrison Tree House. That's the first fucking person is living right there. But unfortunately, there's having his own vacation holiday right now. And we can't get over there because we have to wait for the next time to join the Dungeon River Cruise. And now let's land on our river. So now we are on a river. It is around 4,000 miles long. But don't worry guys, because I know a shortcut, so I will send you back to the dormitory on time. And look at the front. Can you see that? The Dungeon River entrance. The mother elephant and the baby elephant is now waiting for us. They are not learning how to use their throat to sprinkle the water. Don't worry, because it's still young, so the water can't sprinkle on us at all. Okay, and if we move a bit forward, look, and our eyes is not in the shower. We just drop the otherwise, I don't have any clothing for you to change to. Okay? And now let's keep moving forward because now look at your left hand side. Can you see that? Here's the father elephant is now sitting on that. Only for a sleep like your father. Very lazy, alright? And now we have to go to our right because it's blocking my way. Supposed to be go use the left path. But now, we don't have any choices and we can only turn right. I've never been this way before, so later on, please protect yourself. Because look at our left, can you see that? It's a spider. You can see the stripes like in yellow, which means they may be the most poisonous spider ever in the world. And I've never seen a spider like that before. And thank you guys, let's keep moving forward. Yeah, it's the cobras. Okay. Quiet guys, don't make any noise. All I want to do is stand here. It's time into my pool. And if they come into my pool, I'll just jump straight into the river. And you go back in the dark. Okay, and the good news, and also one bad news. The good news is we almost got to the main track. The bad news is, can you see that? The crocodile is here on our both sides. Remember, we call them crocodiles only, but they call us more luxury. And the children on my boat must love the crocodiles. Because if you try to touch them, you don't have to do your homework anymore. Alright, so now let's keep moving forward. Can you see that at the front? Oh, the science center is over there. The well-famous geology scientist, not a shot, is living right here. Alright, I'm sorry, there's not a shot. You're holding a gun down. How to save your life. Yeah, zebra. Alright, you're alright. And now we are around my favorite place. This is the African safari. And I'm gonna teach you the difference between male zebra and female zebra. Remember, on our left hand side, this two is male zebra, and on the right hand side, this three is female zebra. Remember, the female zebra will always stay on our right hand side because it's not about the stripes, it's all about women are always right, okay? So remember, yeah, you may save all the men's lives in the future. And also we can see the elephant here. Alright, and now at the front, can you see that something is hiding under the river? Oh yeah. Yes, it's a hippo, and they just destroy sticks of my boat of it especially. Be careful! Wow! Don't do that, alright? Scare my explorers. Alright, and now we around our favorite place on our left hand side. Here's the sharkies. You see the second one is proper shark. If you want to save them, just stand up and switch a seat with them. If you don't, just raise up your hand and say bye-bye. Okay, so now let's get into the trendy logo. So, wow, you can see a lot of scouts over here. Remember, all you can see is the scouts, but all I can see with your picture. Okay. Alright, so now let's say hello to the trendy locals. They're all waiting for us. So having a tea time. Hello. Because you're the ghost bird in the dark. And now thank you for having this journey with me. Unfortunately, we have to end our journey, otherwise we may get hurt. Alright, so let's get moving. Be careful. Okay, hold tight, guys. Alright, so now I'm sorry to bring you here. A long time ago, the feeling was here, and one of them may be the God of